the eccentric hammer AC motor 230 volt 2.5 amp 0.2 HP 1440 rpm single phase induction motor pulley 1:9 ratio shaft 15 mm diameter shaft bearing 6202 ball bearing. This is cam and cam shaft 7 inch diameter 6 mm thickness. This is the link mechanism. This is the hammer. So this is the workpiece. Concept of eccentric cam mechanism. This is the cam and cam shaft. Rotary is connected to respiration motion. This is the weight. This is the cage. So this will be more weight. The speed only if you are doing. So you got to. This is the groundly you got to bolt it. Otherwise you got to put it on the leg to that frame stand. Otherwise it will be moving because this is a heavy weight and a heavy real-time model. So this type of anything sheet will be bending or anything is hammering by easily by this mechanism. This is the eccentric hammer mechanism. Length 32 inch length, 12 inch breadth, 2 feet height. So this is the hammer weight is 3 kg hammer weight. This is the 7 inch diameter, 8 mm thickness plate. This is the workplace table.